Hi! In today's video, I'm not wearing any makeup because I actually don't plan on being on video much in today's video. So today I'm going to be showing y'all my makeup collection. Behind me is my vanity. It consists of one IKEA Alex Lindman desk with the set of Alex 5 drawers on the side. I have the medium-sized tabletop, and I also have an additional Alex 9 drawer on the side here. And that's it. Let's get into it right now. Oh, Milo is here for his YouTube debut. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, he says, no, I want to look out the window. He's gonna knock over my ring light any second now. I'm just gonna start on this side of my vanity. So here I keep just some packs of makeup wipes and my little headband. This box from Bath & Body Works holds all of my perfumes and Bath & Body Works sprays, and this little clip-on ring light for my phone. I also have this Hiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiii lid I actually use to put my foundation on. It's good because it keeps my hands really clean. Then here I have my deodorants. And then I have my line of different setting sprays and face mists. Here in the middle you can see this is my mirror, and oh, there's my ring light on my windowsill. But this mirror is actually just from Costco. It was like $20 or something, and it lights up. So now we're getting into stuff that's a little more fun. So here I have just some of my more aesthetically pleasing lip products. I have my ColourPop Sailor Moon collection, the Wet n Wild and My Melody and Kuromi lipsticks, the Sugar Pill Little Twin Stars lipsticks. These are all Kathy Doll Hello Kitty lipsticks. I have a NARS lip balm, a Morphe lip gloss, some of the Wet n Wild Astrology lip glosses, and this lip tint. It's this little crystal. So I just kind of keep these out here because I think they're pretty, and that's it. And then in front I have some of my lip balms and my lip scrubs, just so I have all my lip prep stuff right out and ready to go. And then here I have my brushes. I have, this cup is all my face brushes, and that's a little Neko Atsume cup. And then this one's all eye brushes, and that's just a little cup I got at the Dollarama. And this is just some of my overflow brushes. That's a little mug that my sister gave me. I have all my double-ended brushes down here, just laying down because I don't have anywhere better to store them. This mirror back here is from the dollar store. It also lights up, but that's what I use to film when I'm filming over that way. I film on that. And then I have this sun lamp because I have depression. So my first drawer here is all of my blush and bronzers. So, oh. So I have these little 3-compartment containers. These are from Walmart. I can't pull them out because they're really full. Here I keep all of like my cream and liquid blushes and bronzers. I really love these Juicy Pong blushers from Abh. And then anything that doesn't fit in these containers I have just kind of tossed back here. Like I have like this huge Too Faced bronzer, and my Marc Jacobs bronzer is somewhere way back there. So it's mostly organized to be so that the back is bronzers and then the front is blushes, but I really like blushes, so there's some kind of overlap and overflow. Yes, I do need all of these blushes. I have actually recently gone through and decluttered a couple of them, and I gave them like just to my friends, but I am a blush fiend, and I love to just get my hands on all of the cute blushes that I can. And I mean, of course I do have some favorites, like Milani Luminoso is always pretty iconic, but yeah, so that's all of my blushes and bronzers that aren't like palettes. So the next drawer down is all of my highlighters and face powders. So once again, anything that won't fit in these little 3-compartment things from Walmart goes in the back. And then I have like some liquid and some cream, stick highlighters, and some of these more like chunky loose powders. Once again, it's like this is supposed to be the face powder section, and then the rest of them are highlighters, but Actually, I don't think there's any overlap in this one. This one is just all face powders and the rest of these are 100% highlighters. Because yes, I all have an issue with highlighters where I hoard these. I love cute ones, I love really glowy ones. This is the Ofra Nikki Tutorials one. And here's kind of like, not creams, but sort of this Super Shock type of formula. So there are some actual ColourPop ones in here. This Physicians Formula one is really gorgeous. But I just kind of stick things in where they fit. Like this Revolution highlighter one wouldn't technically go in there, but it does because that's where it fits. Here's like some loose ones, some really big chunky packaging ones. Oh, little liquid highlighter down there. And then once again, anything too big just goes in the back here. I'm not joking, there are so many back here. These are the little, that's a setting powder. These Tarte ones from Christmas, those are really cute. Yeah, so this is kind of insane. So this next drawer down, the third drawer in my Alex 5 drawers, is probably my favorite drawer in my whole makeup collection. This is my Eyeshadow Singles, including glitters. Liquid glitters. I have my ColourPop Super Shock shadows in here. These are more liquid glitters and glitter eyeliners. And then back here I have like my Sugar Pill singles. I have some NYX singles. I have a few pairs of eyelashes in here. Also, I don't know who's getting their faux mink lashes for like $20, but go to Winners. These were $7 for 2 pairs, and they're gorgeous faux mink lashes. I get all my lashes at Winners because they're super cheap and they're always really pretty. I really like these ones. Anyway, back to yakking about glitter. I have a bunch of loose glitters. This one's a NYX one. I have some Sephora brand ones. And then I have like liquid glitters. I have a couple Stila ones. I have like e.l.f. These Peri Para ones are some of my favorites. I really like those. Damn, rest in peace Ulta. When Ulta shipped to Canada, that was some of the best time of my life. This is one of the Ulta brand liquid glitter shadows. These are so good. I really like this shade Roller Disco. It's like a true holographic silver. Some Too Faced ones, I got these at Winners for like $5 and they're really pretty. Some Revolution. I mean, every brand that makes a liquid glitter eyeshadow, I probably own one. And then of course all my Super Shock shadows are in here. You can't see them very well, but I've got a ton of these. These are some of my favorite ColourPop products. I wish they put more of these in some of their collections. They keep doing those glitterily obsessed things that you can't put on your eyes. And I'm like, no, bring back the Super Shock shadows in your collections. Please, I need them so bad. So this next drawer here, this is just like my base products. So I have like all my skin prep and primers there, foundations, concealers, I have like an eye cream and an aftershave in there. I keep all my little hydro liners just in between here because I have nowhere better to put them. This little bucket is from like the dollar store. It's just all my eyebrow products and my glue, my eyelash glue. And this bucket here is mascara and eyeliner and eyeshadow primer. And just all this stuff is just the Dollarama organization things. So nothing too special in here. This is just kind of like stuff I use every day, and so I wanted to have like one specific drawer for it. Okay, this drawer is going to be a pain in the ass to show because it's right on the ground, but this is just where I keep all my really huge palettes. So I have Morphe Lisa Frank, BH Cosmetics Zodiac, ABH Norvina, some of my other Morphe palettes, my magnetic palette that's from the Balm. It has a bunch of Balm and Revolution shadows in there. Yeah, this is mostly Morphe because their palettes are so big, but there are a couple of like BH and a couple of like holiday like Too Faced palettes in here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but it's basically just stacked up big palettes. Okay, so now I'm on to my set of Alex 9 drawers. Up top here I just keep my jewelry. This is a little container, I believe from the dollar store. I have some nail stuff in here. And then this bucket is all of my sort of makeup extras. So in here I have like all my extra mini mascaras, some things that I have doubles of, like I have this little mini Peach Perfect powder, my extra Innisfree primer, some extra concealers and stuff. So this is just where I kind of put all my little extra products, and so then when I need them, I have them just on hand. So this next drawer is lipsticks. I have this lipstick holder. This holds 50 lipsticks. My sister gave this to me for Christmas one year, so I don't know where it's from. I have these other little ones that are just from the Dollarama. This one is mostly like my everyday kind of lipstick, so Fenty Beauty lip gloss, Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Give Me Mocha. My favorite lip gloss of all time, this is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look lip gloss. This is so good. But so I just have like a little bucket here of just things. If I don't know what lipstick I want to wear, I'll just grab one from here. And then here I have just tinted lip balms and regular lip balms, some of these e.l.f. Sheer Slick lipsticks. Got some lip smackers like always, and some just my lip liners back here. This drawer is really shallow, so this lipstick holder really only holds bullet lipsticks and some of my mini lipsticks. So that's kind of just what I have in here, but there is another drawer of lipsticks below this one, so let's look at that one. So this drawer has these two baskets. These are from the Dollarama. This one is the lip gloss bucket. Once again, more of my favorite Essence Shine 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 lip gloss, some Makeup Revolution lip glosses, these Wet n Wild lip glosses, Buxom lip glosses, friggin' more Makeup Revolution lip glosses, Too Faced lip gloss. Oh god. Oh my gosh, these hard candy lip glosses, these are so good. So just a ton of lip gloss. And then this one is mostly liquid lipsticks. There are a couple of bullet lipsticks that were just too tall for the drawer right above. But as you can see, I definitely have a preference when it comes to liquid lipsticks versus lip glosses. One of these days I might do a video of like my favorite and least favorite lip glosses, since I've tried so many. Like this is like my favorite makeup product of all time is lip gloss. So this next drawer down, this is all of like my small palettes. So I have some tiny Makeup Revolution ones. I have like the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. Those fit in here really nicely. I have, oh my goodness, some of these Lime Crime palettes that look like little Polly Pockets. These are so cute, and like the quality is really good too. These little baskets are from the Dollarama, and this thing over here is actually a compact organizer, but I just use it to hold some more of my smaller palettes. That, once again, my sister got me that for Christmas. I'm not sure where it's from, probably like Amazon or something. But I have like some of these Smashbox. These are the holiday palettes. One of the mini Norvina palettes, like just really small eyeshadow palettes, a couple face palettes in there. So yeah, this is all just like my small little baby palettes. Okay, a bit of an angle change because it is getting increasingly difficult to film these drawers. But this next drawer down, I have just some of my shorter palettes. So I have like my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palettes, my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, my Urban Decay Naked palette, some of my KVD palettes. This is one of the long ColourPop palettes. This is the Zoella collab. And then I have like my Sugar Pill Little Twin Stars palette. In the back, just to keep everything kind of pushed forward, I have just an old brush roll and some of like my samples from Sephora. These IKEA Alex drawers are really good for holding makeup, except for the fact that they don't come all the way out, and makeup, since it tends to be pretty small, often falls to the back and then you can't get it out. So like if the IKEA made these drawers but they came all the way out, that would be like a gift from God, honestly, because it's so annoying having to pack up sort of the back like 5 inches of the drawer so that your palettes don't fall all the way back, just because these don't come all the way out. Like it's kind of irritating because I could hold so much more makeup in these. Yeah, unfortunately this kind of have to kind of do this kind of situation, and that just kind of has to make do. And then this next drawer, can you believe it? It's another eyeshadow palette drawer. These are some of my taller palettes. I don't know, nothing's really organized in a specific kind of way. I have these Wet n Wild palettes here, Pure palette, Morphe palette, what is this? e.l.f. palette, Urban Decay, Hard Candy, Huda Beauty, Juvia's Place, Morphe, I believe, Revolution, Tarte, Violet Voss, there's a whole bunch of other ones. I think it's vaguely in alphabetical order. I'm not sure. Anyways, this is just palettes. Back there I have more brush rolls and Sephora samples to keep everything pushed forward. And then here on the sides I have a few more palettes. What's this one? Oh, Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes. That's a really good palette. And this Hard Candy Glitter palette. That's really pretty too. Okay, so this is the second last drawer of makeup. The bottom drawer in this set of Alex 9 doesn't have any makeup in it, so I'm not going to bother showing that to you. This is eyeshadow palette drawer number 3. This is mostly Revolution palettes. I went on kind of a Revolution kick during quarantine because all of their palettes are so cute and they're so cheap. So like this from here to here is all chocolate bar palettes. Here are some of their spellbook palettes. This is a Lime Crime Venus XL palette. Oh my gosh, this Too Faced palette. This is the Too Faced 20th anniversary palette, and oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I wanted this so bad, but it was like an $80 palette, but it went on sale for like 20 bucks, and then, or not 20 bucks, like $30, and then it was an additional 20% off sale items at Sephora, and so I got it for like a really, really good price. So there's that. I didn't have enough stuff to kind of plug up the back here, so this is just like more palettes but laying down. There's a Profusion palette back there, but then there's a couple of BH Cosmetic palettes and another Revolution, well, Makeup Obsession, but it's Revolution. So yes, I am aware that I own entirely too many eyeshadow palettes, and on top of this, I also just gave like 5 or 6 eyeshadow palettes that I haven't used to my friend. So yes, I have mental health issues, and no, I'm not going to apologize for that. Okay, we're on the last drawer now. So this is just face palettes. Got some highlighter palettes. We got some blush palettes. We got some more highlighter palettes. We got another blush palette and a highlighter palette and a highlighter palette and a highlighter palette and a highlighter palette and contour and highlight and blush and everything. I don't have a ton of these because I mostly just buy singles for a lot of these products, except for like contour. Yeah, I love these. Oh my gosh. Like I love, so this is the Abh Dream Glow Kit. And this, if you love glittery highlights, like this is so pretty. But if you want something a little cheaper than an ABH Glow Kit, one of these BH Cosmetic palettes, this is the Duo Light Highlight 9 color palette. Like, these are just as colorful and sparkly and reflective. But I got this at Winners for $8. So if you ever want a smoking deal on makeup, get yourself to Winners. That's my makeup collection. I got ridiculously sweaty filming this because of moving my tripod and camera around, so I'm not gonna film an outro, but that's the end of the video. I hope you liked watching it because I liked filming it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.